I'm Jaume. I'm from Barcelona. I'm now studying biomedical sciences here. I'm in my fourth and last year at the University of Barcelona. My professional educational background, I was one of the founders of the iGEM team of my university back in 2021. So the first team of from my university. We founded the team, and we've participated since 3 years with three different projects. I've been since the beginning. From last year, I also leaded the project, and now in part of the entrepreneurship part of the project. Um, Also, last year, late when we finished the first iGEM project, some of us we founded the Catalan Symbio Association. So this is something we did, and a few months later, I joined the Spanish Symbio Association, ATG Symbio Spain, which I'm now secretary. And then, as of this year, I started working at a company called BioCat. I started working there on June. BioCat is a public-private foundation here in Catalonia. We are the managers of the healthcare innovation ecosystem in Catalonia. So we promote the bioregion that we call, and we benchmark it to the international community, and promoting all the healthcare innovation here in Catalonia. Um, and yeah, that's it pretty much. I mean, there are a lot of things, but this is like the basic. I first heard of Symbio in 2021 when I joined the iGEM team, and when we formed the team, I had never heard of iGEM, but a friend of mine told me he had participated in iGEM high school a lot of years back, and he told us about iGEM. So we formed the team. I learned about Symbio and everything, and well, now here I am, having done a lot of Symbio projects, and now being in one of the most important Symbio associations in Europe. But the thing that attracted me most about Symbio was I always explain Symbio as being gods. We are able to engineer biology and nature to tackle real world problems. So and also, like, I'm a student. I have the possibility of doing this also thanks to item. But yeah, and so when I heard of Simbi, also about Symbio and entrepreneurship, I was also into entrepreneurship because of the item projects. They also promote us to talk think about tech transfer and translating the project. So why not? And and I got into the program. Yeah. Actually, I attended all but one, but then as the most of the meetings were recorded, I then view the recording. The sessions I liked the most, they were the ones that were more engaging with us, that we had the chance to participate and ask the speakers. It was the session with Sira Moras, also with Cedric. The I think the session is called, entrepreneur journey, or some, it's talking about their experience as an entrepreneur or serial entrepreneur, talking about failures, talking about everything. They were once us. So it's really good to also hear about their point of view, their tips, choices, and all of these things. And also the session with Alexandra, the one about startup financing. I also enjoyed that one. As apart from the topic that it's very important, Alexandra being part of the CMB program, it was very special that session. Um, Apart from the knowledge itself from the topics, I also think that they were very important. You know, the customer discovery, the market discovery, also the financing, all the process of doing and forming a startup. I also the thing that really helped me most was the networking and the contacts we made. It's something that it's really important. Expanding the network of contacts and people also in the same area, and Symbio entrepreneurship, um, and yeah, talking with people like me also, but also with co-founders and people with way more experience. I think this was also like um, very good to have. Yeah. Of trying I've tried to try different things, but synthetic biology is following me wherever I go. So at the moment I'm with the item project. Next year, on February, I'm going abroad to the University of Cambridge. I'll do there an Erasmus program. I'll be doing a symbio related project, so microbiome engineering to treat cancers and things. But yeah, and in the future, I see myself as a startup founder, mainly about Symbio, because if I said about the potential of tackling problems, worldwide problems. So yeah, I will definitely stay on Symbio a lot.